Friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to share your Android screen onto your laptop. So in other words, mirroring your Android screen onto your laptop. So using USB, it's not a wireless stuff and it's easy to set up. So there are multiple ways you can do that, but this is the simplest I felt. So I'm going to show you one by one maybe later. So today I will concentrate on how to use the the Chrome extension to share your screen, mobile screen onto your laptop. So before that, please check out my YouTube channel and I have useful office automation videos and other computer-less stuff. If you like them, please subscribe, and if you have anything to say, please leave a comment on any of the videos you liked or didn't like. Okay, let's see how do we shade the screen onto laptop. So just go to Chrome and type Visor. So this is the Chrome extension that we need to install. All right. So before that, we need to see what are the things we need, right? This is one thing. And the second thing is we need to have some settings enabled in your Android phone. So basically you need to enable the debug mode, USB debug mode. By the way, we are sharing the screen through USB. It's not a wireless, but it's through USB. So for that, you need to enable the developer options, and then under developer options, you need to enable the USB debugging option. Okay, so now the phone is ready. I have enabled the debug options through USB. So let's launch this app. Okay, so click on the find device and make sure that your device is connected to your laptop through USB and the ESP debug mode is enabled. So looks like it is enabled, so I have this option. Otherwise I won't see anything here. So there is one Android mobile connected and it's ready. Right, I'm gonna say select. Okay, so before that, so when you say select, your Android phone will pop up something, right? That's the connection stuff. So select. Okay, check your Android device and click allow USB debugging. All right, so yeah, I can see that in my phone. I can grab a screenshot. No, no, I need to do that again, I think. Okay, so I actually cancel that option, the pop-up. So now it is having some issue. Okay, I'm doing it again. Yeah, there is a pop-up. So I have taken this time. So I need to say, okay, allow this computer. Make sure that, if you want this phone to be like connected every time, you can uncheck, check the box which says always allow from this computer. So for right now, I'm going to uncheck that because I don't want to use this forever. Okay. Yes, I did it. And I have to tell you, it has more options. So you have better control. You can control your phone through this visor. Okay, it's taking time. Okay, that's right. Oh, looks like it is installing. Okay, maybe I have to enable the third-party installation. Now, let me check again. View. Oh, yeah, I should have said yes. There is a pop-up and I should have said yes. We found out the issue. So as the app installs some applications in the Android mobile, you should enable the install via USB option. So I was thinking it doesn't need any application, but in turn this Visor extension will install an app in your Android phone. So I have enabled this. Let's see again. And what I understand is if it is a Redmi phone or any China made phone, you may have issue with the VPN because install via will connect to some Chinese server. So you may Google that and explore more on that. But I think I don't have that issue. So I'll go ahead and select this connect device. Okay, I have this pop-up. Okay. So, oh yeah, I have already selected yes. Okay. While doing so, there is one more pop-up says which says you need to accept or not the USB installation. I didn't get that yet. Yeah, install. So there was a pop-up whether to give permission or not to give. Whenever you install an application, it says allow or deny, right? So I just said allow. Okay, so it won't work in a full screen. I'm gonna cancel this. Yeah, it's super fast. No. Okay, this is a free version and it won't work in full screen mode. Fine, I don't have an issue. Okay. Oh, I think I cannot control this from. That's a proxy thing. Let's see what other options I have. Resolution is not that great. Sure, that's my site. So there must be some option to connect. That's okay. I don't want that. Okay, let's see what other options I have. No, that's the problem. This same here. Nobody. I don't want that. I think I should have some. Let's read these comments. Okay, maybe by purchasing this, I'll have full control and I should be able to control the device from here. This is what? No, okay. Then I will. No, only the view screen. Yeah, so only the screen mirroring it works well, but that too not so great because this is a freeware and to get a better resolution you may have to go for a paid one. All right, so this is one. So the other one I have is okay. In summary, you need to install this. Let me check if I have installed it. Yes, really. See here. This is the Visor app. It has installed. So initially I was thinking it won't install anything, but it will install an app, Android app in your phone. Okay, so that's very basic. Maybe I'll try with the Pro one later. Okay, so other option is to use the side sync. I think this is from Samsung. I'm not sure about it. Okay. So guys, thanks for watching.